Good morning everyone, it's Jeanette here from Enthusiastic Gardener. It's quite early this morning, it's 6:15 still, and I've been up, I've walked the dogs, I've done everything because it's a very exciting day today, because today Richard and I have decided, we have toyed with this idea and we have deliberated and we have mused over it as well, and we are going to have artificial lawn laid today. Now you may know, for those who've watched me, I have tried my hardest with this lawn and I seeded it and I put crisscross strings all over it with little bits of tin foil to protect the seeds from the birds and everything, and it does look not too bad from a distance. Yes, it doesn't look too bad, but when you look closely it hasn't worked out very well. So we have decided that we are going to have artificial lawn. It's only a small piece, as you can see. It's not like a huge great expanse, but we have decided that's what we're going to do. And I know probably not everyone will agree with this decision, but that's what we're going to do, and I'm very excited. I have to go to work today, but Richard's going to try and get some progress shots throughout the day so that we can piece that together. He may have some commentary, I don't know. We shall see how that pans out, but I'm so excited. It's been booked for about 4 weeks, and we got a recommendation of this gentleman from a very good friend, and we went to see her lawn, and one part of her lawn's been down for quite a few years. It still looks fabulous, and then she just had another part of it lawned, turfed, whatever the word is, because she was so happy with it. So, and it looked gorgeous, so if they're happy, we'll be happy. So anyway, that's what's happening today. So I'm off to work and we are handing over to Richard for progress of the day. I will see you later.
Right, the man is here now. He's unloading his gear and he's going to start getting the grass up. Right, as you can see, all the grass has gone down. He's definitely getting stuck in. All the grass is up now. He's just shot off to get some the granite base that he puts down. But it looks very tidy. It looks very nice. That noise in the background is somebody's having some building work done. Right, he's starting to put the base down now. Get an idea of the outline. No, it's looking good. it is finished. And I must say, he has done a grand job. He worked very hard. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Hopefully, Jeanette will be pleased. And it's superb. I'm speechless. Absolutely speechless. A lot of work has gone into that. Let's take it back. It enhances the plants. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. We've just got to wait now to see what Jeanette's reactions will be.
I absolutely love it. I think it looks beautiful. It's just so lovely. Thank you so much to Richard for filming, and also to Joe, the wonderful Joe, who did all this wonderful lawn for me, which I absolutely love. I'm Jeanette, I'm the Enthusiastic Gardener. Thank you so much for watching. Bye everyone.